Hello, I'm Tracy Van Brockle with AT&T, and I was very proud to be invited to the srsRAN Fall 2023 workshop. Marvelous turnout, excellent speakers.
I'm Ashish. I'm a PhD student at Virginia Tech and a CCI Graduate Research Assistant. I'm very excited to participate in the srsRAN workshop because we have been using srsRAN extensively for our experiment, and it is very nice to meet all the srsRAN team.
Yeah, I'm Luis Da Silva. I'm a professor at Virginia Tech, and I also serve as the executive director of the Commonwealth Cyber Initiative. We think that SRS has been contributing greatly to this open source movement in 5G and in the next generation of networks. As we start talking about open RAN, open radio access networks, and its role in 5G, 6G, future G, whatever you want to call it, it's very important that this community come together and help each other in developing this new generation of systems. And SRS and this workshop, I think, helped greatly in that process.
So this is Marco Ruffini. I'm a professor at Trinity College Dublin. So I came here from Ireland to attend this SRS workshop because there is a lot happening today in Open RAN, and especially looking at open source. Instead, there are going to be great activities happening. I think it's important for a number of reasons. For academia, is essential, I think, that having access to something that is open source and open hardware. And the reason is that really allows us to bring innovation in a market that can be developed in the lab, but it can also be quite ready to go outside the lab. And I think that is really why we think we're here and this is important.